Picture this, you have an amazing content idea, you're ready to post it, you've scripted it well, you've edited it well, optimized everything that you need to actually post this video. You go to post it, you post it, and then it gets 200 views and 0 leads for your business. I know for a fact you're in that situation right now, and that's because I've been in that situation before. You may be a lawyer, you may be a law firm, you may be an online business, and all you want to do is build a personal brand so you can actually attract leads and clients for your business. And you want to make sure they're high quality, but every time you seem to post, either you get no views or you just never get any leads, even if you do get some kind of views. Well, in this video, I want to walk you through the 3 steps that you can take to build a personal brand and also attract clients through it. Now, this isn't going to be one of those videos where it's say, let's go viral all the time, let's get a load of views and let's actually get clients from it. That actually does not work. It's not always about getting views, it's most of the time getting the right views, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do in this video. So let's get into the video, no fluff. So number 1 is actually understanding your goal with social media. Now, a lot of people don't do this, they don't sit down and actually think what they want to do with social media. They just be like, okay, let's post, let's do that. But that doesn't work because there's really 2 different kind of goals that you can pick from. One is you just want views, you want to become famous, or you actually want to get leads and clients, okay? And this is where most of you go wrong, because in your head you actually want leads and clients, but you take the route of actually just posting content that attracts views, okay? And what I mean by this is you try to go viral all the time. When you do go viral, you complain about not getting leads, but you going viral is actually getting you randoms on your page who aren't interested in what you sell or your services. So what I want you to do is sit down, it doesn't take too long, around half an hour to an hour, just sit down and think about what your goal is with social media. Is it to just simply get views, or is it to attract clients to your offer? If it's to attract clients to your offer, which I'm speaking about in this video, you need to really understand who you're speaking to. Let's say you follow a viral trend and your goal is to reach people who've been into an accident. You're not going to reach those people from a viral trend. Yes, it may get views, but it won't get the right views that you're trying to reach. You need to understand their pain, you need to understand what they want, and you need to speak about that within your content. You need to help them get there, help them get small wins, help them understand that you can actually help them with that. And this is what most people call messaging. So when people say content messaging, it is a bit confusing, but all it means is just really understanding who you're speaking to and who you're trying to help with in your content. But let's just say, for example, you want to go views. Go ahead, research your industry, research social media, see what videos are getting the most views and copy that style, but just add your own unique spin to it. And that actually brings me on to my next point, which is the next step really, if you want to start your personal brand from scratch, is coming up with content ideas. Because if you have no content ideas, you're not going to be able to post content. So the one way to do that, what I just mentioned, is researching your industry. But as I said, if you just want to go viral, you're going to research just social media in general. But if you want to actually attract leads and clients to your offer, you need to research your industry. So again, let's go back to lawyers and law firms. Let's just say you help people get the compensation they deserve for them being in an accident. You need to research lawyers within your industry who are posting content. See what they're posting, see what they're doing. I see most lawyers and law firms just post pictures, then I see the odd few that actually post videos, and those are the people who are actually killing it in the space, okay? The ones who are building a connection with their ideal client, who are helping them get small wins, helping them understand what to actually do when they get into that situation and where to go next. Those are the lawyers and law firms who are really winning and who are really standing out within the industry. So go ahead, research your industry and find some ideas that work super well. And what I'm going to leave in the description is just a little Notion docs that you can take. I give this to all my clients, so be grateful I'm giving you this for free. But it's basically a Notion docs where you can put all your content ideas on. You can put when you're scripting it, when you're editing it, when you're posted it, and you can just track your content in there as well. So you can go ahead and write some ideas down on there. What I don't want you to get confused with is actually stealing people's content ideas. I made this video the other day with short form content talking about stealing like an artist. Don't do it, okay? A lot of people say steal content ideas. And what I want to make sure you know is, yes, you can take content ideas, but you shouldn't copy it word for word. That's not your personal brand, it's someone else's personal brand. So take the idea, yes, but add your own unique spin to it, add your personality to it, add your editing style to it, add your faces that you pull within your videos, okay? And this just adds your own unique spin to it, and it's actually your kind of content, if that makes sense, okay? So don't just copy the actual idea when you're researching the industry. Yes, copy the idea, but add your own unique spin to it, okay? Implement your knowledge. So let's just say, for example, you're speaking about what to do when you get into an accident. Say about documenting the scene and everything like that, but add what you actually know and your experiences which work best, okay? That's practical advice. And for online businesses, it's the same thing, okay? If you're an online coach and you help people get in the best shapes of their life, speak about what's worked for you, but actually speak about them. Okay, if that makes sense. So always say you within your content, never say me. You can sometimes, especially in longer form content, but with shorter form content especially, always speak about them, so what you're doing for them. And number 3 is really just understanding that organic content itself will not get you leads and clients consistently. Keyword there, consistently. It's going to of course get you leads and clients, but it won't be consistent because you're relying on something called an algorithm. And this algorithm you can't really control. It's not like you can tell it where to go, who to go to, okay? And that's why I suggest having a proven ad strategy as well as organic content. And when you hear ads, don't get scared. I don't mean the normal ads that cost like $100-$200 a day. Don't worry about that. We're not speaking about that. We're speaking about simple Instagram profile visit ads, and this linked with a system I like to call the magnify your content funnel will kill it. This will get you leads and clients on literally a weekly basis. So let me run you through this funnel really quick. It's really simple. I'm going to tailor it towards law firms and lawyers and also online business, online coaches in general. It's the same system, but there's a little things you can tweak. So first of all, the first thing that you're going to do is you need that organic foundation. So don't think about running ads if you do not have an organic foundation. And what I mean by this is having organic content on your page. Make sure you have organic content on your page. It's really important to do that. So have organic content on your page, have some information about what you do on there, have some value on there, and then what you're going to do once you have an organic foundation, you're going to start to run these ads. And one ad you can run, as this is for both online businesses and law firms and lawyers, you can run something called an Instagram profile visit ad. And this is really just to get ideal clients into your world. It's really cheap, $10 to $30 a day, and all it's going to do is optimize for ideal clients to follow you. So you're going to call out your ideal client, you're going to give them some value, and you're literally going to say to them, follow me for more content like this. And what they'll do is they're going to follow you. They're going to scroll through all of your organic content. They're going to get nurtured over time, build up trust over time. And if you're an online coach, you can reach out to these people and set them on a call. You can do that as a lawyer as well, and then offer the free case evaluation and then go from there, okay? And also what you can do as a lawyer is you can run another ad which is called a lead form ad. And this lead form ad will optimize for people to fill in a form, which will be name, email, phone number. That's a lead right there. All you have to do is call them up and go from there. And I wouldn't suggest doing that as an online coach, like a lead form ad, because there's no point. All you have to do is run that Instagram profile visit ad. Those ideal clients will come onto your page. They get nurtured. You can reach out to them and set them on a call with a proven appointment setting framework, which I will create another video on in the future. So next, what you're going to do is just keep on posting content. I would suggest actually starting a YouTube channel as well, because it's longer form content. It builds up so much trust. So people are going to come onto your page from the Instagram profile visit ad. They're going to keep seeing your content, keep seeing your YouTube content if you post it, keep seeing your Instagram stories. Then you can also, for both online coaches and lawyers and law firms, you can run things called retargeting ads. And this is when you're going to like really start to build up an audience, when you can implement these retargeting ads, because you have to, I don't want to go into it too much detail, but you have to create a separate audience and then retarget those people. So what you're going to do is set up some retargeting ads. You can retarget these people with value, with testimonials, with settlements, with offers, so for free case evaluations, or just offers for your coaching offer, for people to DM you. Then you can start a conversation and set them on a call, however your sales process goes. And yeah, that's really the system. So it's a proven ad strategy mixed with organic content, and this kills it, really kills it, because you're getting ideal clients onto your page every single day, who are then building up trust through your content and then eventually choosing you over anyone else just because you're in front of their face 24/7, building up trust. And what you need to realize is right now we are in something called a trust recession, okay? A trust recession, because there's a lot of people online who don't do what they say they do, okay? And you, by getting in front of those people's faces 24/7 who are interested in what you sell, you're just going to build up so much trust with them until they're ready to literally say themselves, okay, I need what you sell. So instead of relying on cold messages, relying on billboards as a lawyer, relying on word of mouth, relying on any other things, you don't have to beg these people to work with you. They're going to reach out to you, or you can either start a conversation with them, and it's not going to be one of those leads that it's just like, oh, I don't know. They're going to be qualified. They're only going to book in when they truly want to, and that's the great thing about this, okay? It's going to get you qualified leads and ideal clients, okay? So that's really what I wanted to go through today in this video. I hope you got some value from this video. That's how to build a personal brand from scratch. So number one is realize your goal, what you truly want from social media. 2 is come up with content ideas. You can do this by researching your industry, your actual industry, not just random people. That's if your goal is to get leads and clients. And 3 is realize you need a proven ad strategy as well as organic content to actually succeed on social media, okay? But I hope you got some value from this video, guys. If you're a lawyer, law firm, or an online business, online coach, check out the free trainings in the description. There's 2 of them. They're really valuable. It runs you through the system I just went through in way more detail. I show you it visually as well, so you can actually see what I'm speaking about. And yeah, I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.